After losing the ability to withdraw Bitcoin from Bitcoin mining BTC miner, the creator said he was going to try to find a way to make this right. And instead of having a 10,000 Satoshi withdrawal, he's made it so 10 Satoshis is worth 1 point. But the problem is, when you look at these rewards, the lowest is 25,000, which would be 250,000 Satoshis, which for free users is completely unobtainable. So I reached out to the creator of the app, letting him know that I make videos on this app, and he replied saying he's actually watched all my videos, appreciates the community that I've helped create, and that he's going to be adding smaller and quicker rewards as well. And at this point, what I've done is reach out to him. I want to have a conversation with him, kind of like my conversation with Matt with Nexor Mining, and maybe he can help make us feel better about everything that's going on. But honestly, until any of this happens, until we get actual rewards that are obtainable, I'm not going to watch any ads. They do take a significant portion of time, and without anything that I could see being worth it, I'm not going to do it. Now, the problem with this, and I didn't get a screenshot of it unfortunately, it says that you need to watch a certain amount, otherwise your mining power will start to decrease. And part of the information I hope to get from Hemant when we do talk, if we do talk, is how much we actually earn from this, and say you miss you watching your ads, how much will you lose, and will you lose it all over time? So hopefully he gets back to me soon. I think it'll be good for his community as well as ours. So this is a step in the right direction, but like I said before, it's still not enough for me to sit there and watch, 45, 65 ads a day. It's just a lot for something that's not proven to actually give you something. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll let you know if anything changes. Fingers crossed it's sooner rather than later. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you from the clouds.